Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Voyager. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this pump of Voyager, and I also want to share a very important support and resistance level for Voyager that is really very important for the continuation of this pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me show you this pump. And by the way, this is a very long-term down channel. You can see that was started here back in November 2021, and Voyager was not able to break out this resistance. You can see that we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, then we had another rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection. This is not a rejection, but we are again reached the same resistance or rejection line. So be very careful right now. If we will break out this resistance, then there can be a very big pump. However, if we will be once again rejected by this resistance level, then it can again drop at the support, and this time the channel support will be approximately at 43 to 44 cents. You can see every time it is moving to the downside after getting rejected, because this is the down channel and eventually the price is going down. However, the down channel is considered to be a bullish bias, and eventually most of the times price line breaks out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. But here we had a fake out to the downside. You can see that we broke it down here in June 20, I think on 17th of June or 16th of June. We broke it down. We confirmed this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, and we had indeed a very big drop that was up to 14 cents. And if we take a look at this current pump, then from this low to this high, within only 2 days, it has pumped almost 655%. Let me place this measurement tool once again. From this low to this high, exactly at 600, it's showing us 627% pump. That is a very big pump. Within just 2 days we had this big pump. But now we can see that it has reached the resistance, and at the same time, if we watch the relative strength index RSI oscillator, then you can see that RSI is forming higher than previous high, while the price line is doing the opposite. It is not able to form higher than previous high. So there is a hidden bearish divergence. Therefore, I am again saying be very careful. If we will be not able to form another higher than previous high, then we can have another rejection by this resistance, and it may test the support once again. Therefore, if you're looking for the entry for Voyager, in my point of view, the previous entry was here when we were breaking out this support of the channel as a resistance. That was approximately here at 46 to 47 cents. Now, if you are looking for another entry right now, then we need to look for the breakout from this down channel, from this resistance of the down channel, and at the same time when the price line will be able to form another higher than previous high. The previous high was here at $1.39 approximately. So when it will be moved up and it will be closed above that level, then it will be confirmed that it has really broken out this resistance of the down channel, and then we can set our sell target accordingly. In my point of view, the sell target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately $5. Now let me just show you a very important support and resistance level right now that is very important for the continuation of this pump. And in my point of view, it is possible that we may not retest this support of the channel if we will be completely rejected by this resistance of the channel. And that support is here at 61 cents. That was working as a resistance. And let me show you this support. First, on the daily time frame, you can see that here it was working as a support, and let me just show you on the 4-hour time frame chart right now, and you can see when we had this drop here, it was working as a support here for several hours. Then again it turned into a resistance once it was broken down. Then you can see it was flipped into the resistance and we could not break it out. And here it worked as a resistance. And right now we are above then this support. And why I'm calling this level as a support now, because now it has flipped into the support, because you can see previously it was breaking as a support, and when it was broken down, then it turned into a resistance and we had several rejections. And now after breaking it out again, now it will be flipped again into the support. And now if we will be rejected by this resistance, then it is possible that after testing this level of 61 cents, we may have another move and another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.